Okay, so today our video is going to be about creating a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Open our PowerPoint and going to use a blank presentation. However, we're going to use a black. Then how do we start? In this presentation, you can create slides by coming here. You create any slides of your choice. But now you're going to first use this one to write our title. Maybe the title is about computers, computer, and you can say written by Asha. Yes. So this first slide you can be like containing your information and the title and maybe the writer's name. So the second slide uh you can write something like maybe what is a computer, what is a what is a computer. Yes. So here we can write maybe second we can say that a computer and an automatic digital device that accepts data input and out output plus processing data and information. So you can say that's our definition, and now we can create another slide, maybe talking about types of computers. You can be like choose this one, talk about the types of computers. Of course, we have the digital and the analog. Pick an analog, and this one we can be like digital. We have laptops, so sorry, we have deski desktops, iPads. We have tablets, palm tops. Then in analog we have tape measures, tape measures. Then we have foot rulers. So etc. So yeah, you can do something like that, and you can maybe uh, can end up with that one. Sorry, you can conclude, maybe be like conclusion. Maybe you can say computers so interesting in such a way that they keep on advancing. So like that. So that can be our conclusion. So now we can make edits. We can change the appearance, maybe to that, and also here and change it something like that. So hmm, so we can go by that, and also here. So if I want to prevent doing what I'm doing, like you can use a master slide as I showed you in my previous videos. So master slide can be helpful here. So I like that one. Maybe use that. So that's it. Then can work on the background. You can format background, put some interesting colors. Okay, depends on what you want. You can choose from there, or you can come to designs, choose design of your choice. Maybe that to appear on all of the slides. Then we can you can choose another one if that one is not working for you. So let me go by that one. Okay, so now we can apply animations. Yes, can apply animations. Maybe also that, and also transition. Come also here, apply a transition, and also some animations. So that's how you do it. You highlight on something, then choose transition, apply a transition, then animations. Also on those ones. apply animations like maybe floating. So these ones can use that. You can wave. So this one wave. So end up with the conclusion. Conclusion we can an animation. You can use that bounce and maybe that one we end up with wave that you should take note of audience because there's some part with the eye. So you should either use or not use animations at all. In a transition, here you can use that also here. So now you can since we are done, you can come here to slideshow and now play from the beginning. So you can be on mouse click. Once you click, that's when everything changes. So as you see, everything happens on mouse click. So yeah, that's how PowerPoint presentation is done, and you can even record, you can rehearse the timings, you can do a lot of things, you can even add, you can insert videos, pictures and all that. So thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good time.